Yeah, y'all know, man. It's your boy, man. Dwayne Unruly 6. Y'all know him, man. I don't know, so yo, check it out on my YouTube channel, man. Dwayne Unruly 6. And you subscribe, man, if you are a new viewer, man. Don't forget that, man. Yo, subscribe, man, and hit the notification bell, man. Y'all know, yo. I don't know, so yo. This is the 6th Wheel Entertainment, man, in Gambia, man. I don't know, so big forward, man. Always. Zane. You know, we're gonna do it. Soon I'm gonna be dropping, yo. I don't know, say, yo, more videos, man. More videos coming, man. Zine, every week I've been dropping, man. So, yo, just subscribe, man, and hit the notification bell so you can be part of the first people to receive the videos, man. Zine, I don't know, say, Gambia, one love, man. I don't know, say, yo, support the thing, man. So, people, yeah, y'all know it, man. Yeah. Motherfucker, you making the car nice, man. Fuck. What's up, man? Oh, you fuck up, man, nigga. Ah, you making it nice. You know, see? Oh, I'm not saying, yo. You be cleaner, man. I'm not saying, I see that you are a fucking big cleaner, man. That's my nigga. You know, see my nigga? You know, see my nigga? Yeah. I'm not saying if you get a car for wash or anything else, man, come on, yo, just come on, yo, fucking, yo, pay a check, man. I'm not saying, it's all about checking, man. I'm not saying the thing cost you. It's a VIP thing, man. It's in. I'm not saying, you know, see how him, yo, make out whenever you have, yo, car if you was or something else, man. It's in how him, yo, make out car. I'm not saying big Mitsubishi dog, man. You know. I'm not saying, yo, you might yo, fucking cleaner, man. You make everything, yo, cool up, man. Oh, my nigga, you ready? Oh, fuck up, man. I've been there, yo, sell out in you, man. Let's say, fuck up, man, nigga. Just catch up this nice, man. You know what it is? That's my boy, man. That's my boy, Asa. I don't know, say, yo, a VIP car wash, man, here in the mansion, man, in Cinchu, man. You see, you know that. I don't know, say, this is a Mitsubishi thing, dog, man. I don't know, say, yo. Follow me on Instagram too, man, Dwayne Carter G, man. I don't know, say, on Facebook too, Dwayne Carter G, man. I don't know, say, on TikTok, Dwayne Unruly 6. YouTube, Dwayne Unruly 6, man. You know. I don't know, say, I'm there in the mansion, man. I don't know, say, big mansion, dog. You don't know it. I don't know, say, check me out, man. And come on, check out for the mansion, man. Zing. Big mansion, dog. I don't know, say, everything copper shit here, man. I don't know, say, soon the episode are going to become, man. I don't know, say, how the mansion. Because I'm going to be visiting the mansion, man. I don't know, say, how inside Costi. You know, I bet you, I set there, man. So you can check it out, man.